AI Enhancer is a product of Chaos, which integrates in 3D rendering, and its main goal is enhance geometry, especially people and vegetation. Because of these two elements, it has one of its own characteristics: high topology. We cannot make its geometry very detailed. Is it effect with 3D rendering? In the latest generation, we can render its resolution up to Ultra HD. When the first release, we can use it only 2K. At this point is an idea for. We mean we should not be too strict with AI. We understand its workflow. As I mentioned before, we usually use it to enhance people and vegetation. Due to updates from generation to generation, there may be changes in its interface. There may also be updates. Like this generation, it is completely changed compared to the first generation of AI. We click on this icon, AI Enhancer. Enscape will render the image. This image will allow us to upload into the Chaos cloud. If the release in the first version when clicking on it, render and it enhances in SketchUp. So, there is nothing we can do. This version we can upload into the cloud. And we can continue our work. After rendering, it comes out this tab. We can rename it. And we can create folder. Select folder and upload and enhance, or we click upload to. And we can go into the cloud and handgun later. Upload, I usually find it fast. We can go directly into the website Chaos Cloud and search for that file. Or we click on View in Cloud. It will open the location of the file we uploaded earlier. So when uploading, we see it like this. This version 1 is original. Preparing, we click on Edit. We will see an option AI Enhancer with AI Upscaler. In this we can use from Enhance with Upscale. In Upscale, we can upscale 2 times or 4 times. We go into AI Enhancer. This condition is updated to Advanced AI. Yes, we can enhance part by part. When we come in, it will analyze. It recognizes elements and large surfaces. For a while, I saw that coming in was less slow. Maybe the next version will fix that place. The base layer is original. We can enhance the whole image. Or we enhance part of it like this. It knows the place of vegetation. It knows this surface, knows this place, but the element behind this is unknown. This means that the data it analyzes is not enough. In particular, if the render from the V-Ray or its corona its data is clearer. We select on people. We have low creativity option, medium high. So we can test with its option. Age group child adult. Gender. Some more options. Facial expression, hair color. Keep this condition, keep all its default. Use medium adult with female. And we can also enhance the element further. I use a medium to make it. Keep its original in some. High it will change most. We see this means that it is in the process. And we see above this as a layer. Original. And its quality is better. We can enhance again by clicking on Create New. I can increase its creativity high adult female. And select facial expression. Select option. Smiling enhance. And if we look at this vegetation, its quality is also good. Original. We see the detail of it is almost identical. Only when we enhance, its detail is better. And we look at this again. See that there is an error. Let us go back to the original option. And we click Save as New Version. When we save, it is slow. We do not see. We can come back. We will see the second version here. And we can compare. When we are okay on that version, we click Save on this for our pictures.